Abeja basiniye akana omwihanga lyona batandika kukora ebibuuzo byabo ebyamuheru obwe bakutandika na geography hamwe na biology yokubanza eyibakora omwihangwe. Shahibiri necweka abeja aba babani bacheberwa obwe bakuza kubuuzibwa.
Abwembabaza Ruhanga tubabasa kutandika ebizamu tweta assessment end of cycle ahabwa senior ya kana ningashe Uganda certificate of examinations level. Mbara high school twaba twine abana 362.
Abasibi 12 ku rugo Mbara Main Prison Inmate Secondary School nabo babasa kore ebibuuzo byabo ebya UNEB. Kurujira Musanya na Winnie headmistress wa Mbara Main Prison Schools nabahamyango nibaza kukora je no barabe bakine ekizubu cyo butagire bina bikomara.
Wano mu Mbara Prison tutuziza abayizi 12 abatude O level yabwe. Bonabona bawana Mbara Prison, the twin number of them prisons endala. Kubanga prisons endala twina primary sections. So ababatulira wano mu primary bajja ne bajoininga wano secondary level.
Musomero lyonna tulaba nti number at least ebeerako waggulu nnyo mwaka ku mwaka. Gezaako nga senior 4 mwaka oguwedde twalinako enamba ntono naye kati at least tongedeko senior 6 nayo tongedeko. Even the enrollment kutandikira mu senior 1 okutuuka mu senior 6 tulaba nti senior 1 this year we have twina 25, senior 2 twina 12, senior 3 twina 16, senior 4 twina 12 abali mu kutuula ebigezo byabwe olunaku olwaleero. Then senior 5 twina 15.
Birungi Godfrey ori kuro kurebera bizamu muri Mbara City kandi headmaster wa Mbara Secondary School ainebi yashobora kwatira nebuzo ibyatandikwa korwa.
We have a number of stakeholders. All very many people are responsible to ensure that these examinations are run according to the guidelines. We have the security personnel from the police force. We have military police. We have even internal security organization, they are also operating. We have the DO's office, or the city education officer. We have invigilators. All those people have been deployed to ensure that our examinations are secure.
We believe that as people have been struggling with getting some apparatuses to use in the practicals, for us as the school in the city, we have everything ready. There is nothing that is missing. That's why we believe that according to the way we are prepared, our runners will do their best.
Biyo Missionatori or Assistant Commissioner w'ebyo bwegese hamwe na Vocational Schools omu Uganda Prison Service yashobora bigendera byo kwegesa abasibe.
Amane biragiro bya Uganda. So netukamesa abasaba kurebwa ngo kuba rashoboreye bagariko myanya yabo baba abantu bo mugato. Okubizire atakije babira abantu babeta kasasuru bakashorera kasasuru. Ngogo rukwata kasasuru ukagihindura maniwa ni 22 don't tukora.
Abeji basiniye yakana abatandikirizo banyinshi kandi nibaza gukora ikibuzo cya physics kandi nibaza kuhendera ahabiro mushanju ebyo kwizo ku 11. Ahabwa tayari Western Susan Anino Mukisa omuri Mbara.